Double-click Installer to begin. If the driver cannot open, then go to System Preferences. Select Security and Privacy. Under General, click Open Anyway to set up. Input your password of your Mac, then click Modify Settings, click Open. Then you can continue to install the driver. Follow the installation steps until you receive Installation was successful message. Go to System Preferences. Select Printer and Scanners. Click plus sign to set up a printer. Select Label Printer 242BT and click Select Software. Select Label Printer 242BT and click OK. Click Add. You can set default printer and default paper size. Print test page. Click Open Print Queue. Click Printer and Print Test Page. If the test page prints correctly, you can start printing. Prepare before use. Open desired file. Click File and choose Print. Choose your printer. Choose a paper size. If the size you need is not listed, then click Manage Custom Sizes. Click plus sign to create a label size and rename. Input width and height. Check all of non-printable area are 0 inches. Select Printer Features in Preview. Select the paper type in Media Tracking. Set the print density in darkness. Set the print speed in Print Speed. Then click Print.